All right, we're talking about the MAXTRA gas trimmer, and what we're going to be doing right now, of course, is mixing our fuel. We need gas, oil, of course the gas can, or gas, the gas tank, some people call it, and of course the funnel. We're going to go ahead and put the fuel in first. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to go ahead and pick this up with my right hand. And this is going to be a little tricky. Yeah, I just can't go too fast because it splashes out. Okay, so at 500 fuel, we just need okay, if you look on the side of the gas tank, you have numbers. They say gas and oil, and there's two lines. So you notice I put in the gasoline first, so gas comes up to maybe 500 milliliters, and then of course just to the offset to the left, or sorry, to your right, is going to be another line slightly higher, and that's the oil. So we just need just a little more oil, so we have a maybe 50-to-1 ratio. All right, so like I said, we have our fuel can here, our fuel tank. We'll make sure the throttle is up on the throttle, this orange lever here, but we need to make sure that this is our trigger, this is the safety. This is usually off, but we want to make sure it's on. But then I'm going to slightly push this. As I push it forward, it locks in place. All right, so to put my fuel in, I'll use my funnel. I'll slightly pour so I don't want to splash, because as you know, fuel is very flammable. Wow, I guess it took the whole can. It's the last drop. I'm gonna basically, I don't know if you can see it very well here, there's a bubble underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and pump this like I have the throttle off. I'm going to turn it on. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, to lock this into mid-idle, I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger, but I need to do the safety first. Pull it back to on, but as I push it forward slightly toward the end, and as I let go of my safety and my trigger, and it'll lock into place. All right, so we'll turn the throttle off.